manual pump. Yeah, come
I'll
over here
I'll
and
be over there in a second.
Yeah.
All right, this is the bleeder for the fuel filter. So after you get the new fuel filter on, you're
manual pump.
gonna unscrew that a little bit. Then you're gonna come around here. It's just so I don't forget how to do this.
This is a manual pump,
That's
and
the
you just
manual
pump it.
pump.
You just pump it up. You hear it sucking the fuel out of the tank going into the filters.
Okay, how many times you do that?
Well, I usually do it at least 10 times, and then I'll see if there's any fuel coming out that bleeder.
Okay. Let me go around
Once you
here.
get it in that primary, it'll go. Okay.
Yeah, we got fuel coming out right now.
All right.
It's dripping.
All right. That's what we're looking